Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself frustrated with unwanted page breaks popping up when you go to print a spreadsheet in Google Sheets, you're not alone. Today I'll walk you step by step through how to remove page breaks in Google Sheets so your data prints exactly the way you want it to. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to customize and erase those pesky lines, keeping your spreadsheet clean and your printouts clear. Let's dive in. To start, go ahead and open up the Google Sheet that's giving you trouble. Now, the first place you want to head is the File menu. You'll find it right up there in the top left corner. Give that a click. It's the main command center for your sheet. Anything related to printing, exporting, or adjusting major settings hangs out here. Next, from the File menu, you're going to choose Print. Now, even if you're not actually ready to print yet, don't worry, this is just how we get into the settings that control page breaks. When you click Print, it'll pull up a print preview window. Think of this as a sandbox, a kind of rehearsal space for your document. You're not committing to anything yet, but you can see exactly how your sheet will look on paper. Now, to remove page breaks, you want to look for the option that says Custom Page Breaks. This might be tucked away a little, depending on your screen size or browser, but in almost all cases, you'll see it on the right side as a button or a little link that says Edit Custom Page Breaks. Click into that. This view displays blue dotted lines across your sheet, showing you exactly where Google Sheets will start a new printed page. It almost looks like a grid on a city map dividing neighborhoods. If these breaks appear in awkward places, like splitting a table in the middle, don't worry. We can move or delete them with just a few clicks. Here's an easy trick to remove a page break. Hover over the blue line. It could be a horizontal or a vertical one, depending on where your break is. When you place your mouse over the break, you'll see that the cursor turns into a little X. That's your cue. Go ahead and click that X. Instantly, the line vanishes and that page break is gone. If you don't see the X right away, try moving your mouse slowly near the breakpoint. It's sometimes a bit sensitive, but you'll spot it. There's also another handy way to get rid of a page break. You can simply click and drag the break outside the printable area. So click on the line and drag it fully above or left of your sheet. Once it's outside the page, it disappears. This can feel a bit like sweeping away a chalk line on a blackboard, quick and satisfying. Once you've made your adjustments, don't forget to click Confirm Breaks, usually found at the bottom or top of the screen. This tells Google Sheets you're happy with the changes and locks in your new page layout. You'll return to the print preview and you should see that those extra page breaks are gone. From here, you can go ahead and print your spreadsheet, confident that it's going to come out just the way you designed it. If you run into any issues, or if you have a uniquely formatted sheet that's still acting up, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I love helping out and might even feature your question in a future video. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks so much for watching and happy spreadsheeting.